with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make cabbage for barbecue food. So basically this is going to be just a traditional coleslaw, but I'm going to use a lot of fresh ingredients, unlike the coleslaw that you buy at the supermarket that's been sitting for God knows how long. So I'm going to start with some shredded green cabbage. And I'm going to add some shredded red cabbage as well. I'm going to chop it really fine like the green cabbage. I chopped the green cabbage in the food processor, and it has a slicing blade. Cuts a lot of it really fast and really fine. I'm going to add a little bit of grated carrot, some chopped onion. You want to chop it up pretty fine and just add a little bit of it because it can be obnoxious, but a little bit of it is just perfect. Then I'm going to season it with some mayonnaise and some red wine vinegar, just give it an extra kick, and some black pepper and some salt. So it's simple, it's fresh, people love it. And then you have a simple barbecue cabbage.